Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today, and this is Summit Gate Makeup and Lifestyle channel, and I am running just a series of showing you what you can do with a combination of lip colors. Sometimes we run out of ideas, especially when we have clothes that we're thinking, oh, what would go nice with this, and I don't want to have a plain color. In those days people would just wear red, but now red is not necessarily out of vogue, but there's so many other things you can do with other colors that you may not have imagined. So that's why I'm here as an expert to show you. And so I'm wearing today these two lovely colors. And the one at the bottom is color 21, the one we call subtle. Okay. And this is color 17, what we call velvet. As you see, color 21 is a lighter shade of color 17. But when you see it in the store, you will never imagine, what can I do with it? You can combine it to have a perfect ombre like what you see on my lips. So this is what I've applied today. It's 17 and 21. 17 is velvet, 21 is subtle. So I'm going to show you. And look, I'm wearing black. I'm wearing black. And even with black, I still glow. So the colors may seem dark, but when you combine them together, you come up with something stunning. And so that's the series I'm running. Subtle and bold color gives you a stunning look. And as you can see, it suits me and it suits every skin tone. So I'm going to show you once again how I got the result of the combination. Okay, and this is subtle. Just a little wipe will do. Subtle is like soft lilac color, and this is a deep color of a shade of purple. So not the other tone of purple, a different. That's why I call it velvet. So it's like dark grapes. You know the grape, your black grape. This is just the color. So if you notice, you don't have to soak in a lot because these two colors are strong in themselves. Some pigments are not as they're a bit watery, but these ones are quite sticky. So they're very creamy. They're very creamy. Okay, so I'll show you once again. Perfect ombre. Do you agree? Summit Gate Makeup and Lifestyle channel. Thank you for joining me again today. Thank you.